On top inside Edo today, Obaseki don knack ogbonge constables free health and life insurance as 877 of them graduate from police training school for Edo State. Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don tok say special constables wey dey under Naija Police Force community policing project for Edo State go benefit well on top state government health and life insurance package. E tok dis one for the passing out parade wey dem organize for the 877 special constables wey dey under community police project for Ogida Police Training School for Benin City. The way can see Governor Yan say as dem just inaugurate am for second term for office now, na security matter be im first challenge, and na dis one come make belle sweet am wella, saying dey for the passing out parade of the ogbonge constables wey go assist plus still collabo with Naija Police on top community policing matter. E tok say the 877 special constables dey among the first batch of the 2,000 constables wey dem wan still train for community policing for Edo State.
Just a few days after my inauguration, one of the first issues and subjects I have to deal with is that of security. And therefore, I am very pleased to be here with you this morning to witness the passing out parade of the first batch of the 2,000 constables that we will be training in association or in collaboration with the Nigerian police. The idea of community policing is not new to us. And this particular concept, which has led to your recruitment and subsequent training, was one of the ideas we muted with the Inspector General of Police when he was the Assistant Inspector General of Zone 5 in Benin several years ago. I am very conversant with the idea of community policing. And what we are seeing today is legitimizing a structure which we had started in Edo. The IG has been very clear in his view about community policing. You have been recruited to undertake policing activities in your communities. You have been properly screened and your backgrounds checked. You are going to join me to work for our people. We are serving our people. We are not bosses to our people. You have the power of arrest. You have the powers to investigate, but you must do so lawfully. On our part, as Edo State government, we will be investing more in our own security and will be collaborating with the federal government in this regard. However, we will not wait solely on the federal government. We also have to help ourselves.
Obaseki Yan say dem recruit the ogbonge constables, come train them wella, make them for fit dey do correct policing activities for their communities, and dem go collabo with Edo State Governor to work for Edo people, sake of say im don tanda gidigba to serve Edo people. The way can see Governor Yan say im government ready gidigba to invest wella on top security, and dem don already dey collabo with federal government on top the matter.
One of the areas that we will be collaborating with the federal government is to work very closely with the Nigerian police force on this training facility. We used this facility a couple of years ago when we launched Obaseki. We're here today, and I'm sure that this facility will become very, very busy for us because we will use it to train all the cadres that will participate in our new security architecture. So we are going to be going into a collaboration with the police to begin the refurbishment of this facility and put in more so that we can train more of our people.
Obaseki still come talk say im administration go continue to dey train security personnel every year, make dem for fit dey get ogbonge informate on top new security models wey dem go dey use, plus still upgrade their skills, make dem for fit use am take secure Edo people wella. E tell the ogbonge constables say government dey very concerned for their affairs and debe, and na dis one make dem dey provide free health and life insurance for all of them. The way can see governor come here and say as e be say security matter don get as e be for the state now. Their first assignment na to ensure say dem collabo with the state government plus federal agencies make dem for fit gbab all the prisoners wey escape from prisons for the state.
I want to let you know that this is not a one-off training. We will be insisting that at a minimum once a year you go through a similar training so as to upgrade your skills. We are not just hiring you and leaving you under the full custody of the Nigerian police. The state government is interested in your affairs, be interested in your developments. And one way we will show this is to provide free health insurance to all of you. We will also provide life insurance for each and every one of you. Working with the divisions, we will ensure that the intelligence that you gather from your various areas of operations is used very well to reduce crimes in our communities. You are all going to be graduating into a state that is currently challenged security-wise. So your first assignment will be to join us and the other federal government security agencies to go into the various communities and arrest all those inmates who broke from our jails. We will give all the support so that before Christmas, each and every one of them would have been picked up and sent back to where they escaped from.
Commissioner of Police for Edo State, Johnson Kokomo, wey represent Inspector General of Police, Mohammed Adamu, come salute Governor Obaseki unto say they use community policing take dey protect lives and properties for the state. Kokomo tell the special constables say make them make sure say them respect Edo people fundamental human rights, even as them they do their duties.
It is not surprising, therefore, that Edo State was able to key into the community policing concept, the special police constabulary, when the concept becomes national. I want to congratulate and celebrate with the graduates who had gone through some mental and physical rigors. They have had courses in the area of arrest, how you make lawful arrests. When you get out of here, please don't make unlawful arrest. When you make unlawful arrest, it spoils your case when it gets to level of prosecution. You have been taught on how to make lawful arrest. You have equally been taught rudiments or elements of human rights. You are to have very healthy and robust respect for the rights of the citizens. You have equally been taught on how to do your community policing that is intelligence-led. You do more of intelligence gathering. The special constabulary concept, you will function in your various communities. You will partner with the current conventional divisional police, the current conventional police post, the current conventional area command headquarters. You are an integral part of the policing system in Nigeria. You are not in any way inferior to any law enforcement agency. And in doing this, you must respect the fundamental rights of the citizens, be professional and diligent in the performance of your duties, in line with international best practices. once again. I would like to thank the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces, His Excellency Muhammadu Buhari, GCFR, for making the concept of community policing in Nigeria a reality. Immeasurable thanks to His Excellency, the Executive Governor of Edo State, Mr. Godwin Obaseki, for his pragmatic and immense support in ensuring that Edo State is captured in the first batch of special constabularies to be trained.
Commandant for Ogida Police Training School, Jonathan Modi, Konyan said the 877 special constables wey graduate don receive ogbonge training on top the basic principles plus core values of community policing wey be correct aspect of democratic policing.
This school is graduating a total number of 877, 205 females, 672 males, drawn from the 18 local government areas of Edo State as special constables under the community policing project of the Nigerian Police Force. I want to let you know that you are going into the field at such a time when the expectations of the public on police services is very high and the performance of the force is under public scrutiny.
This one are the ogbonge information wey we carry come give una on top inside Edo today. As Obaseki don knack ogbonge constables free health and life insurance, as 877 of them graduate from police training school for Edo State. Make una sabi say na TMC TV na im carry this ogbonge information dey come give una. My name na Oiza Aboriogun from Benin.